everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma nge-e.tv scandal. Well guys, storyline sika lihle kanye ke nolibone siyashisa si-hot. Niyazi guys ukuthi ke ulibone he's been planning or he's been grooming ke ulihle ukuthi ke akwazi ukuqamba amanga to ifamily yakhe, and she's been a good student guys. Lokho abantu bayafunda kanti bafunda ke imikhuba laphana ke kuma restaurant. So namhlanje guys ulihle wu ask ubaba wakhe ukuthi baba ngiyacela bandle ukuthi ngicela ukuye Soweto eintombini ngiyobabona njengoba phela kade ngabagcina kulomndeni wami omunye oseSoweto. Athi baba uzobuya nini? I say no, it's only one night that can change Lihle's life forever. So guys ubaba kwathi hayi no ayanginankinga ke so ubaba I guess ukuthi bazomhambisa but I'm not sure. Ngapha ke guys ulibone keep on sending ama message ethi Lihle, if there is someone who can do this thing, who can lie to her parents, it's you. I just want to be with you, my girl. I just want to be with you the whole night, these 24 hours yami nawe. Is Lihle ready, guys? Is Lihle ready for the thinging? I don't think so. I don't think ulihle ke ready ukuthi ke kuzokwenzekalani la. On the other side, the girlfriend Tebogo guys, angithi ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ke uye wathatha inamba yale ntombazane wayifonela wathola ukuthi ubani, and ke guys uzoconfront ulibone ke nangaleyo ndaba amtshela ukuthi ubani ke ubani hayi nakhona futhi uzophika ke njengoba phela vele nje uyinto ephikayo, and he keep on ignoring ama calls entombazane ke le ekade ke ihlezi imfonela zonke insuku. Ngolesibili next week intombazane izofika qathatha lapha yana ke, and the family guys, the family eventually ngazuthi ke bazogcina bazi ukuthi kahle hle kwenzekalani, and into zokwenzeka ke ukuthi ke even ke uHlohi naye kuzoba khona ke ama flashback emqondweni wakhe ukuthi hayibo this person have been doing 1 2 3 to me unaware, noma ke uzokhumbula ukuthi kwenzekani ke in her past ke uHlohi. So abantu guys they are like where is the monitoring spirit eubhotsotso? He must be there, and I think guys he's the person who will make sure ukuthi ke the family kaLihle iyazi ukuthi ke kwenzakalani. But ke Monday parents are alerted to a deeply alarming situation laba zobona khona ukuthi no kukhona ke into ke engahambi neze ke kahle, kanti ke bathi ke uHlohi a memory sparks a clue igniting a race against time. So yeah guys, I'm so hurt mangibuka indlela uLihle a trusta ngakhona ke this guy, of which this guy is the most dangerous person okhona ke empilweni kaLihle. And uLihle guys useyadelela nemzulu ukuthi umphendule kanjani uBhotsotso, nezulu ukuthi umphendule kanjani uBhotsotso athi awungiyeke wena Bhotsotso kanti akazi ukuthi yazini uphoseka ke emgodini ke weingonyama, and she will regret forever guys. But we are hoping ukuthi ke uBhotsotso will come in time and rescue her. We don't know, but guys now I'm not a bad person so I'm not like this other people abathi ke uyalunga vele uyamfuna sengathi angalala naye. Guys, I don't want that to happen to this young girl. But anyway guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share with us ukuthi wena how like ufuna ukubona le story se unfold kanjani. Bye.